Dear students, today I will teach the storage of fruits and vegetables, the methods of storage like your zero energy cool chamber, cold storage, MA storage, modified atmosphere storage, hyperbaric storage. First is your zero energy cool chamber. It is based on the principle of direct evaporative cooling. It does not require any electricity or power to operate. The material required to make this chamber are cheap and available easy. Then how it is constructed? Select an upland having a nearby source of water supply. Make floor with brick 165 cm by 115 cm. Erect the double wall to a height of 67.5 cm, leaving a cavity of 7.5 cm. Drain the chamber with water. Soak the fine riverbed sand with water. Fill the 7.5 cm cavity between the double walls with this wet sand. Make top with bamboo, that is 160 cm 16 cm by 115 cm frame, and cirky straw or dry grasses. A thatch thin shade or tin shade made over chamber to protect from direct sun or rain or snow. This is a picture of zero energy cool chamber. Then this is a picture of constructed series of zero energy cool chamber, and water supply is also over the tank near the zero energy cool chamber. Then how it operate? Keep the sand, bricks and top cover of the chamber wet with water. Water twice daily, morning and evening, to achieve desired temperature and relative humidity. Alternatively, fix a drip system for watering with plastic pipe and micro tubes connected to an overhead water source. Store the fruits and vegetables in perforated plastic crates. Cover the crates with thin polythene sheet. Cool chambers should be reinstalled once in 3 years with new bricks. Utilize the old bricks for other purpose. Then scope of cool chamber. Propose the cool chamber can be installed in different places of handling of fresh produce. In present practice, fruits and vegetables arrive in wholesale market early the morning and purchased by the retailer or consumer before the noon. At present, fruits and vegetables are handled in open shade. The freshness is prone to considerable deterioration. It is suggested that a battery of such commercial size cool chamber can be installed in wholesale market which are located near the big metropolitan cities. Units can be installed in two rows with a corridor in between. Each unit will have two doors, one opening into the corridor and the other into loading and unloading platform. The ducts are open on roadside as well as on the corridor. An overhead tank can perform the soaking of the side walls and tank. The trucks can perform the loading and unloading on the platforms of each shed. Fruits and vegetables stored temporarily in the cool chamber units before the transaction can retain freshness and quality. Then evaporating cool storage. It is best short-term storage of fruits and vegetables at farm level. It helps the farmer to get better returns for their produce. In this structure, horticulture crops reduce the shriveling and extend their storage life. Then cold storage. These structures are extensively used to store fruits and vegetables for a long period and employ the principles of maintaining a low temperature which reduce the rate of respiration and thus delay the ripening. In cold storage, the apples and potatoes are put for the extending the storage life of the fruits or make the available throughout the year to the consumer. Then choice of methods depend on type of the produce available. duration of storage required, cost of storage involved, and climatic conditions of the place where storage is made. Fruits and vegetables after harvesting continue to respire at the expense of the stored food material, which depending upon the rate of the metabolism decline or accelerate aging as it evidences by shriveling accompanied by changes in texture, flavor and the quality. Natural fruits and vegetables respire, respire, respire and lose heat and moisture through natural pores in the skin. Removal of heat from freshly harvested commodities without quality loss is most desired method for extending storage life of the perishable, which is accompanied by washing them in cold water at the production site, that is for removal of the field heat. After removal of the heat, adequate size of cold storage is required. Storage life of freshly harvested commodity is governed by following. First is prevailing climate, that is temperature, relative humidity and air flow rate and cultural practices of the region. Then variety and stage of the maturity at harvesting. Then quantity of the product available during harvesting season. Then incidence of infection at the time of harvesting and type of the crops and their susceptibility to climate. Then method of picking, harvesting, transportation, handling and the extent of damage prior to storage. Then time take between the harvest of the commodity and its subsequent storage. Then rate of cooling of products which greatly varies as per climatic conditions and types of the crop. Storage temperature and relative humidity required and prevailing the harvesting season. Rate of accumulation of carbon dioxide concentration inside the refrigerated storage chamber which ultimately affects shelf life of the products. Air distribution system in the refrigerated cold room which help in maintaining quality of the products. Post harvest treatment, size of package, quantity per package, ventilation, air circulation inside the refrigerated storage are important for storage life. Sanitary condition inside the refrigerated storage room may affect the expected outcome. Cold storage is one of the widely adopted methods for bulk handling of the perishable products between production and the marketing or processing. Maintaining adequately low temperature is critical, otherwise it will cause chilling injury to the produce. Further, relative humidity of the store room should be kept as high as 80 to 90% of most of the perishable products, below or above which has detrimental effects on the keeping quality of the produce. Then control atmospheric storage, which is also known as your CA storage. This is defined as an atmosphere in which oxygen is brought down at low level and carbon dioxide is at high level, created by the natural respiration of the packed commodity or by artificial means. These gases are controlled by sequence of the measurement and corrections throughout the storage period depending upon the type of the fruits and vegetable in storage. As the method involved control of oxygen and carbon dioxide around the immediate surface of the commodity and within the fresh fruits and vegetables, there is reduction in the respiration rate of the commodity. The levels of these gases are maintained by constant monitoring and adjustment within the gas tight storage stores or containers. Owing to respiration, gas level constantly change and they are adjusted to the predetermined level by introducing fresh gas or nitrogen. Then modified atmosphere storage, which is also known as your MA storage. It is defined as the introduction of an atmosphere other than air into a food package without further modification or control and flushing into the produce product enclosure. The mixture is maintained throughout the storage life and no further measurement or control is required. In modified atmosphere packaging or modified atmosphere storage, a fruit or a vegetable is enclosed in a sealed plastic film which is permeable to respiratory gases. Within the package, gases will change, thus producing lower concentration of oxygen and higher concentration of carbon dioxide than that in the fresh air and thus retard the respiration ripening. The MA storage is the development of the modified atmosphere around the product through permeable polymeric film. It is an expensive method compared to controlled atmosphere storage. In MA storage, there is an alteration in the composition of gases in and around the fresh produced by respiration and transpiration. When such commodities are sealed in plastic films, these films restrict in accumulation and transmission of respiratory gases and result in the accumulation of the carbon dioxide and depletion of the oxygen around the produce that increase the storage life. This method is used for produce that have high commercial value and require constant attention during transit and storage for higher return. Atmospheric inside the sealed plastic film bag depend on the characteristic of the package material used, inside environment and respiration rate of produce. Changes in the gas content may take some time to reach equilibrium and speed of atmosphere changes can be accelerated by flushing with nitrogen or pack can be connected to a vacuum pump or remove the air so that respiratory gases change fast within the pack. Then advantage of MA storage: the retardation of maturation, ripening and senescence during storage by arresting the respiration. Control of chilling injury especially due to the low temperature. Then reduces the incidence and severity of disease causing organisms like fungi, bacteria, insect and pest. Then reduces the incidence of physiological disorder and other defects. Then reduce the sensitivity to ethylene. Then modified atmosphere and controlled atmosphere with an oxygen concentration less than or equal to 1% and carbon dioxide more than or equal to 5% have insecticidal and fungistatic effect. Then next is your hyperbaric storage system. This storage chamber is placed under low pressure through vacuum application. Reduction in pressure decreases partial pressure of oxygen and its availability to produce. The reduction in the partial pressure of oxygen and its availability to produce. The reduction in the partial pressure of oxygen is proportionally to the reduction in the pressure. As the produce in the hyperbaric storage is constantly respiring, atmosphere within the store should be constantly monitored. A vacuum pump is used for evacuating air and stored atmosphere is constantly replacing replenishing from outside air. Air inlet and air evacuation are balanced to achieve required low pressure. Then advantage of hyperbaric storage: oxygen level is stored can be accurately and easily achieved by simply measuring, assuring or reassure inside the storage or store with a vacuum gauge, which reduces cost of the operation. Then constant removal of the ethylene gas from the store is also achieved, which checks the ripening of store fruit and vegetable. So this is all about the methods of the storage of the fruits and vegetable: zero energy cool chamber, cold storage, MA storage, CA storage and hyperbaric storage. Thank you.